Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming connectivity and basic system readiness. This avoids wasting time on downloads that will fail. Once your tablet is on Wi-Fi and has at least 500 MB free and 20% battery, go to Settings, then Apps, and tap Google Play Store. You want to see its app info screen so you can force stop it and clear cache. These first actions reset temporary errors and prepare the app for the deeper fixes that follow. Now you'll perform the core fixes that resolve most Play Store issues. First, force stop the Play Store and clear its cache, then clear app data if cache alone didn't work. This removes corrupt temp files. Next, do the same for Google Play Services and Google Services Framework because they coordinate billing and account sync. Once done, restart the tablet so services relaunch cleanly. Then open Play Store to sign back in and accept any updates. These steps restore proper communication between apps and Google. If problems persist, take advanced actions. Uninstall Play Store updates from App Info to revert to the factory version, then update Google Play Services first so compatibility is restored. This often fixes crashes. Also verify Android System WebView and core Google apps are up to date because they affect content rendering. If none of this works, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. One troubleshooting tip: after a reset, set up the tablet with the same Google account to restore purchases and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.